Okay. Um, in this video, I'm gonna introduce you what is algorithm and explain in the simplest way to you to make you understand this set of this concept we use in everyday life already. So first of all, let's do a Google search to see what is algorithm. Okay, so Google Gemini gave us the answer. An algorithm is a set of instructions that are followed in a specific order to complete a task or solve a problem. Maybe we already have some kind of understanding to this level, but some of you might still be a bit confused. What specifically is an algorithm? Can we touch it? Can we see it? Okay, I'm gonna tell you next. So imagine you are making a cake. You need to follow all those steps, right? Like in order to make a cake. So algorithm is as simple as that. In that algorithm need to follow this set of instructions in order to get an output. So it's basically like input output stuff. If we abstract it to the computer level, so there is this input we gave to the computer, and it's gonna do all those computation through instructions, and it's not gonna ever change if we set those rules in advance. And if we want to illustrate a real life example, we can see the map. Google Map we are using every day is using algorithm exactly. So if we want to go somewhere, Google, like the map app you have on your phone, might already have the algorithm provided. And there are thousands of algorithm, like the red one, like if you want to get somewhere, for example, this place, there is thousands of route for you to get there, but the algorithm, fortunately, is gonna do the computation in a very, very short of time, millimeter or millisecond of time, and it's gonna compute the shortest route for you in instant. At the same time, it's also gonna taking account of the traffic and also, yeah, that's how modern map makes find us the most optimal route using algorithm. So, now if we want to take a closer look, we want to know how does algorithm created? How do we what's the procedure when we are creating algorithm? I think um you so I study computer science, and for programmers especially, you need to learn about all the possible algorithms, and those algorithms are written by code to tell the computer how to calculate for specific tasks. Not only that, algorithms are designed to make the most efficient, to use the most efficient way to solve a problem. For example, like in this map example, we want to calculate the distance and compare them, especially. And for those algorithm, it is a lot of the research has been done. There's still research going on, and they are all based on mathematical proofs to tell you the most efficient and optimal ways for a problem. we need to do that because one thing we need to save some computational power because the computer has limits. So we need to be aware of the computation side all the time. And on the other side, um, we want to provide the accurate and the best solution for real world for like for you guys, for the customer, for the problem. So for programmers, we need to know about different approaches to um, solve a problem. Maybe you need to know something about the data structure because computer is structured to run in different ways if you use different data structure. And if you already have a little bit of experience, a little bit knowledge in data structure, I would really recommend you to follow me in my following videos where I'm gonna explain a lot of the very classic and very popular algorithm we are using right now in everyday life. So yeah, that's my first video, and I hope you can follow along with me, and I promise I will do my best in explaining this algorithm thing. It's very, very fascinating and interesting.